I've been asked to change the name of this extension. It's always good to confirm that you are in the right spot. The best thing to do is to push the info button and confirm that extension 107 is in fact Cindy. I'll put it back to the time and date. Now, in order to get to the programming mode, I push prog *pound 1234. I happen to know that changing names, the code is 004. We've confirmed it by seeing extension name. Now we press enter and we give it the extension number we want to change, which happens to be 107. Yes, 107 Cindy. So let's clear the name Cindy out by pushing clear. And now we're going to enter Lucas. So to get to the letter L, we push the 5 3 times. And we can use the navigation wheel or the button here to get to the next letter. In this case, it's U. So we'll push 8 to get to U. But I would like to have it lowercase, so if I continue pushing, eventually it'll take me to the lowercase u. Let's go to the next letter. Again, lowercase. Next letter. Again, to the S, lowercase. And you can do uppercase if you wish. And once you're done, you simply push enter in the middle of the navigation wheel, and it's set. In order to get out of programming, you lift up the handset and hang up, and push info again to confirm the extension name has now been changed to Lucas. Push the info button again to get back to time and date, and you're good to go.